today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, what the heck is happening to Bitcoin right now? In the beginning of the week, we had this well-expected huge dump for Bitcoin. And now Bitcoin is recovering as if it was nothing. Now the question is, are we going to reach higher price levels? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about my multi-million US dollar trade which yes, it is still open. You can see the Bitcoin trade, $3.1 million in a profit. The Ethereum trade, 345,000 US dollars in a profit. Now the question, of course, is what is next for Bitcoin? Are we going to go higher, or is this a dead cat bounce before Bitcoin continues to go lower? Thank you so much for joining in once again. And of course, as always, like, subscribe, comment your favorite altcoins and everything down below. Just make noise for the algorithm so we get this video pushed out into the world. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. And I mean, you all guys, you remember how I was uploading 4 days ago a video, Bitcoin danger, huge warning. And you all know what happened. A few hours later, we had this crazy dump from 44,600 all the way down to 40,000 US dollars. And people were going crazy below my video. Thank you so much for all your comments. Like, this is a witcher, precise call, good call. He was right. Yes, you called it. You were right. Yes, I have to say I was pretty spot on when it comes to the timing. But if Bitcoin continues to go higher here, I want to say, like, I want to be very honest here. I did expect at least the dump to be a little bit deeper, a little bit more volatile, right? Even though I was completely right on the moment of the dump, still didn't expect 40,000 to hold so perfectly. At least the dump down to 39.5. But now you can see Bitcoin is getting this reversal towards the upside, breaking this descending triangle. And the question is, are we now going higher, or is this a dead cat bounce before we are going lower? Let's determine exactly what has to happen for us to confirm that we are going higher. Well, first of all, for me, I am not getting severely bullish unless Bitcoin is not going into this territory of 44,700, breaking into a higher high. If this is going to happen, dear ladies and gentlemen, of course, then my price target would be the following. And here I want to tell you also, guys, I mean, if this week is not closing in a red, we have basically, actually, I want to quickly, before I talk about my price target, I want to tell you how significant this is. If this week doesn't close in a red, we will have 9 weekly candles green in a row. This has not happened since 2013. Since the beginning of 2013, we have not had 9 or more than 8 green weekly candles in a row. That is something to think about. And of course, we can all call this very bullish, and certainly it's not bearish, but you do want some retracement sometimes. As you know, the bigger the retracement, the bigger the pump. But on the flip side, the bigger the pump, the bigger the retracement every single time. However, if we break 44,700, beautiful, I'm gonna be happy about that. Then I'm definitely looking out for the 48,000 US dollar price target for Bitcoin. I've been calling for that price target for quite some time, but now I would only quote it the moment we break the previous high. And if Bitcoin breaks lower, there are of course a few different levels to look out for, which now that we are getting this beautiful reversal, I don't even want to say we are going to break lower, but of course if we do, we want to be prepared. 38,000, the first big support area. The second big support area will be 35,500. And then the last one, which I don't think we will break it within that bull market, the 32,000 US dollar price levels here from yeah, I mean, you guys all remember it. This was basically the strongest resistance we had in the history of Bitcoin volume-wise, and then also, of course, now expected to be the strongest support. And I just don't see this one here breaking. That is the good news. I am, of course, very bullish for Bitcoin. I would be kind of happy about a bigger retracement. It just cleans up the market. It makes the next pump a little bit more volatile, a little bit more tradable. But whatever, if we break higher, 48,000, beautiful. Now I want to know from you what you think about that. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Of course, if you want to be trading as well as I am trading right here over on Bybit, with these pretty crazy trades right now. I have down below a 60,000 US dollars, not 10, not 20, not 30, 60,000 US dollar free bonus link for you. If you go down below, click register deposit, you can claim this free bonus and use it for your own trading as well. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.